Yeah.
Hey guys, put together this video. It's from a couple years ago, but me and my brother, we decided to go to the Potawatomi tribe reunion. So we start out in Shawnee, driving through Shawnee, stopped at a boomerang restaurant to go have breakfast, and then we went and checked out a few exhibits and stuff, and then finally we saw the balloons and stuff outside. It's a pretty fun day. I put some music in after a while because the annoying GoPro hum that was in my GoPro back then. But I still like the footage though. Enjoy, you guys. Thank you. Bye. Yep, it is.
See her like burn.
That's cool. Well, you know, they had a big family.
Oh, is he? Who's the guy?
Probably 80s. Mommy. You know.
I was gonna meet her over here. When I met her, what's that? She goes, yeah, I still get a look at. She goes, I can barely watch.
Yeah, every once in a while you post something.
Yeah, I told her, I go, he got in a balloon. Remember?
And he was flying around in it?
He was flying. Yeah. Or they said that. I think they were trying to say that. Oh, he flew off. But the whole time he was in the attic hiding, and the whole family was in. And it had something to do with. They made a homemade balloon or something like that. And they said he was in it. It was all in the news and shit. Yeah, they got on their van, they got a mural and everything on there. Let everybody know what it was.
That's whatchamacallit, I think.
Who's that?
It's what do you call it? The plastic wrap thing?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can make your car and truck and van look like anything nowadays.
Yeah.
Look just like it's painted on.
Hold on. See their faces in there? Yeah, you can, huh? They're all in there.
It's not, I haven't really used this lens much. Pretty good for auto.
I like the sun glare off of that.